How to fix the Google Chrome browser keeps logging you out. And the first thing you'll need to do is click on the three vertical dots on the top right, go to settings, and then from here you want to click on reset settings here, and then click on restore settings to their original defaults, and then click on reset settings again to reset your settings. And if you have any extensions installed, you can go to the extensions tab and try to temporarily disable all the extensions you're running. And make sure as well the developer mode is disabled from the top right. Next, you want to go back to the settings page, and this time go to the About tab and make sure that you have the latest available update, otherwise it will tell you to update it here. And then you want to go to the You and Google tab, the first one at the top here. And now if you're already signed into your Google account, make sure to turn on the sync feature by clicking on turn on here. If you see turn off, it means it's already turned on. And then you want to click on sync and Google services, and then scroll down and switch this to sign in. So whenever you sign into Chrome or whenever you sign into a Google service, it will automatically sign you into Chrome if you're not already. And if you're not signed into a Google account currently, you can try to sign in again by clicking on your profile logo here. And then you can click on Add Google Chrome Profile and then proceed to sign into your Google account. Otherwise, you can manage profiles here and add new profiles. And now you can restart the Google Chrome browser. And this should fix the issue that automatically signs you out. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.